This is how to do a pattern called Gothic arches. You want to start with a warp that is divisible by 6 and attached to your upper and lower bar or string as usual, and as usual divided into a front and a back layer every other thread. When you complete a repeat, these threads are going to be arranged a little differently, and you'll see why in a moment. This is the first row. We start 3 from the back going up, 3 from the front going down. That's repeated. And you push the twist down to the bottom of the warp. Second row, 2 from the back going up, 2 from the front going down. Repeated. And the third and final row, 1 from the back. Oh, I'll put the stick back in there so you can see clearly where things are coming from. 1 from the back going up, 1 from the front going down, 2 from the back coming up, 2 from the front going down. Repeated across the warp until the end. And then at the end, 1 from the back coming up, 1 from the front going down. If you compare the Gothic arches pattern to the Oliver Holz pattern, you'll notice some similarities. I think that this pattern is a little bit more robust. It looks more substantial. It also won't flex quite so much in width, but it will. And this pattern is taken from this book. As far as I know, the pattern was developed by the authors during the experimental time in the 70s, so this would be a vintage pattern rather than a pattern based on historical or archaeological finds, but I don't know that for sure. That's just speculation. And it's described in the book as somewhat Gothic looking and having arches in it, so it didn't actually get called Gothic arches. I just took that from inferred it from the text.